Hey, good morning, everybody. So, welcome back to Figs Outside. And so, I ended up buying a GoPro Hero 7 Black. So, been looking forward to getting one of these. Don't know why I didn't buy one earlier. But anyway, it's 12 megapixel, 4K, 60 video. 33 feet is the depth before you have to buy the case. You can do live streaming. So, there it is there. It's voice control, slow-mo, touchscreen, GPS, HDR. Yeah. So anyway, we're going to check it out. I bought this through K&M. That's the company right there. I don't know if you can really see that or not. Wipe the dust on us. So it's K&M camera. They're in New York. Let's check it out. So, see, this is how your GoPro comes to you. I don't know. Let's see, how is this all secured in there? Yep. So there it is on its little mounting plate. So it has a little tab on the back, so I was kind of fooling around with. When you get these, it kind of slides in there. It's got the little tab. You lift that up, pinch in those ears, and it just slides forward. Yeah, I can show you right there on the back. So this is what's in it. This is what comes with it. So damage replacement, cloud backup, and it tells you how to go to the GoPro app, how to put it in its case. There's that. Need help cards. Oh, GoPro stickers. There we go. Important product and safety instructions. Got some different adhesive backing, 3M. That's always good. So this one's curved, this one's flat. You guys can see that. Sorry for the wind. It's a little windy today. There's those two backings. Battery. I did end up buying a dual battery charger plus an extra battery. I already opened it just to be sure. So there's that right there. Cord for the GoPro. Yeah, play around with that. Just want to get to the rest of this, check it out. So there it is. There's this little clip-on housing. So there, you guys can see how that goes. Case snaps on. Presses down, locks it in. This is the housing right here that's around it. The actual camera is in there. So anyway, there it is. GoPro Hero 7 Black. And be sure when you get these and you start recording. I was reading some of the questions to the company. When you turn it on, how come there's a big turtle and you can't see the screen? That's a sticker. You got to peel that off. So just be sure you do that before you get going. See. Anyway, there's the case. And there's the backings that go to it. You see it slides in there. Anyway, that is the GoPro Hero 7 Black. Sorry to end that so quickly. I thought somebody was pulling into the driveway and they weren't. So anyway, we're going to get back to this. So I haven't read the instruction manual yet. I haven't, I unboxed it just now in front of you guys, and haven't messed with GoPros all that much. So it's going to be kind of an adventure all in of its own. I'm trying to figure this thing out. So maybe push that little tab. Spring-loaded door pops open. That's for the battery compartment. And it looks like that's where the micro SD card goes into. I don't know if you guys can see that very well at all. It goes right there in front of my finger. Micro SDs are tiny little cards, kind of like a standard SD card, but it slides inside of a reader, so you could slide it into your computer. But that's the micro SD. So it goes in there, it snaps shut. It's pretty cool. And yeah, there's the USB and the HDMI ports. So pretty cool. Can't wait to start messing around with this thing a little bit more and shoot some better footage for you guys, more footage. It'll be good to have. It'll be fun. And I don't know if you've seen the earlier video or not, but I did buy the Sportsman's mount, which is the gun, rod, and bow mount. So that'll be fun. Definitely get some better footage for you guys. Anyway, there it is. That is the GoPro Hero 7 Black. And I'm going to do some reading on this thing and try to figure it out and get the batteries all charged. I did buy the dual battery charger plus an extra battery. I already opened it up just to be sure what it looked like and stuff. It's pretty small. It's almost the same size, and the battery's snapping to the top, and it's got its power cord. But anyway, so thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me. Thanks for checking this video out. And if this video helped you out at all, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.